Welcome back everyone. In this video, let's take a look at route matchers in SvelteKit. A few videos ago, we created the products route with a product ID dynamic route. This allowed us to navigate to products/1/2 and even /100. But what you should know is that a route like /products/product ID will also match a URL like /products/Batman. As you can probably tell, we don't want that. To help with this scenario, SvelteKit allows us to define matchers. A matcher is basically a function that accepts the parameter and returns true or false based on the condition we wish to include. In our case, we can define a matcher that returns true only if the route parameter is a digit. Let's head back to VS Code and understand how to define one. Step 1, we create a new folder within the source folder. We call it params. Within this folder, we create a file. Let's call it integer.js. Our intention is to only match integers as route parameters and hence the file name. Within this file, we default export a function which tests against one or more digits as regex. The function receives param as parameter, and we return true or false based on whether this param passes the isDigit regex. Please note the name of the function, match. You cannot call this isInteger or isNumeric. The function name must be match, and it is a SvelteKit convention that you have to follow. Step 2, we augment this matcher file name to the appropriate route. In our case, that would be the product ID route. Within square brackets, product ID is equal to integer. Integer is the file name in the params folder. Back in the browser, if we navigate to /products/1, we see the details page. /100, we still see the details page. Navigate to /Batman, we get back a 404 not found response. Now this, as you can see, is pretty useful when you want to discard unnecessary parameters as part of a dynamic route. Well, that is pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video on route matchers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.